1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a lot of cars for a one-bedroom apartment. So we've been making enormous progress here. The shiplap is up in the main inside of the church. I'm told the bathroom and the bedroom are 90% finished. We're hung up on the kitchen because we can't get parts. And the door has been painted blue by Randy, who's the world's best painter. And that's our corporate color, our blue, which we quite like. So that's going to be on all the outside trim and all the doors and stuff out here. So let's go see who's inside driving all these cars. Hey, Tony. What are you doing?
Putting this light up.
Oh, nice.
That should go look pretty good.
I think that is, it looks like sort of a period piece, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you choose this, Aya?
Yes, a modern take on a period-looking piece.
Nice.
Definitely.
Lovely. How many of these do we have?
One, and it's going in that special little spot right there.
Okay. Do you want to have the big fight about the light outside now or later?
The fight has already been solved.
Oh, did I lose it?
Yes, you lost the battle.
You know what that means? I owe him and Steve and Ray $15.
There you go.
So what was the cost for the light? Add $15 to it, because that's what it cost me.
Oh, I didn't know I was in for a money deal out of this.
That's too funny.
So that's going here?
Yes, sir.
So I went to get these shelves last night. I've been to 3 stores.
Yes.
I'm not going to mention the store by name,
No.
but it's Swedish for out of stock.
Yes.
Right. So I drove to Vaughan. I drove to the Queensway and QE in Toronto, and then I drove out to Burlington. Mm-hmm. And all the stuff to go on the walls is in Sweden still.
Yes.
Right.
Apparently.
So anyway,
Yeah.
I may never do that again.
Shame on those Scandinavian people.
Well, you know, I mean, everyone's sort of pointing to COVID as the reason for things, and that's, you know, quite possibly legit. I don't know. It was frustrating because it's slowing down our busy boys. It's okay, Steve. Camera shy?
No, but I don't want to be
Incognito.
incognito.
So this is Randy Hanlon. He's a member of the crew that I haven't introduced you to yet. So Randy has been working with us for like, what, 15 years, Randy?
About that, yeah.
Yeah. So I'll say this unequivocally. Randy is the best painter anywhere. It's Randy and Associates. That was an ad, by the way.
Was it?
Yeah.
Very good.
Anyway, it looks great. Looks
Well, we're
fantastic.
getting there, yeah. We're just coming down to the final areas. Again, it doesn't look like I'm doing much because I'm painting white over white, but we are getting there.
Well, you sure did a lot in that gigantic room. Looks great.
Thank you.
All right, bedroom. So what happens here, Aya? Does this thing?
All the pieces kind of separate, and it becomes a round circle.
I'm scared I'm going to break
Yeah.
that.
Well, anyways, it does. We have to lower it a little bit. It's a little too hot.
Oh, so we're just going to leave it like that? Okay.
Yeah, we left it like that right now, so
All
we don't
right,
have
to be
any
revealed.
issues with it.
Yeah. Closet is nice. It's big.
It's nice, the rod's in. And we're working on the other pieces there.
Wow. This is a big space, eh?
It is.
Woohoo! Look at that.
Yeah, and we have our support, the tail end of this will be supported.
Look at this. This
and
is,
finished.
it was 2 little tiny bathroom cubicles and a really awful looking shower, and now it's
Very dark and dismal.
very dark and dismal. Yeah.
And now we have
Now
sparkle,
it's
we have
terrific.
sparkly mirror, and we got some nice lighting and mirror that we have, but we just haven't got it up yet. But it's coming into play, but nice and bright.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
You've done a wonderful job. Can I take credit for your work? Is that okay? if
Yes,
I do
you
that?
can.
Thank
Absolutely,
you. Yeah.
yes.
So now you can really tell how much natural light in here there is after because it was brown and dark brown. Randy,
Yes.
how long did it take you to paint this? I'm just looking at the volume of the space.
The,
It's like an airplane hangar.
Yeah, well, the main area, actually, after I'd done the window frames, just took me a day.
Really?
Yeah.
I would have thought
Yesterday,
3.
as a matter of fact, I
Yeah.
did the kitchen and the main area.
Yeah.
But the ceiling, of course, had already been painted, and
Yeah.
the window frames.
Yeah,
So the walls they go pretty quick.
yeah, but the ceiling not so much.
But the ceiling was was a full day and a lot of high lattice.
So it was 3 days.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, for sure.
Okay. He said, "Let there be light," and there was light.
What do you think?
Yeah, I like it.
Pretty.
This is gonna be a nice kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we're going to have an island here, right? An island on rollers.
On rollers,
Yeah.
yeah. We've got to get
Nice.
the roller, we got to get the casters to.
Well, we'd better order them now because
Yeah.
it'll be here
I
like
think-
in
Yeah.
you sure?
Yeah.
Like in March though. They'll be here in March. Okay, okay. So what we're waiting for is, I think, 3 cabinets, 12 shelves, and a bunch of bits and bobs, right? And that's what's between us and finished. Is that right?
100%.
Yeah.
Cabinets are the most important.
But, you know, that's been the challenge all along, right? Is getting lumber's more expensive, even circuit breakers. Steve and Ray had to go to 4 different stores to get circuit breakers. So if you're doing a renovation right now, be mindful of this because the stuff's in short supply.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's really weird time to be doing this, but anyway.
Yeah.
I love it though. You guys are doing great work. We should like start a company.
Have we not?
Oh, that's right, we did. All right. So as they say in life, you pick your battles. Here's one I picked and lost.
Yes, you did. You lost this
So
battle.
I have a sentimental attachment to that little light there, but tell me why I lost the battle.
You lost the battle because it's can possibly be a fire hazard.
Okay, that's a good
Okay.
reason. Yeah,
And it's not in scale of the door or
Okay.
of the church.
right.
So I think that we need to have something a little bit larger,
Bigger.
bigger, and more substantial, and that's why we have one.
And does Tony know that he's got to reinstall it then?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yep. And then we can
Sometimes
ring the
you have to
bell.
do that.
I know. And now you owe everybody money.
And no, I do. No, I literally bet on
No,
that, and
make your
I've
bets.
literally lost. I know.
Yeah.
That's why I don't gamble. I'm not
I'm
very good at it.
sorry.
That's okay. It'll be beautiful,
Yeah, it is. It's galvanized. It's larger in scale, and it really, really does.
and it'll make it safer, and it won't
absolutely
burn our church
Yeah.
down. Grand. Okay. Well, you know what? Some kitchen cabinets of light, and we're done.